The latest iteration of the Nautilus introduces its inaugural hybrid powertrain alongside a substantial screen upgrade and various enhancements. This marks the third rendition of the 5-passenger SUV, initially unveiled last April at events in New York City and Shanghai. Typical of modern Lincolns, it exudes an elegance bordering on zen, fostering a sense of relaxation and indulgence. Lincoln reports that it has already begun to attract a younger demographic since its recent availability. Venturing to upscale Palm Springs, we took the opportunity to test drive the new Nautilus, assessing its potential to elevate the nameplate through an enhanced driving experience, improved performance, and a heightened sense of luxury. Whether one opts for the base Premier at $52,010 or indulges in the Black Label variant, exceeding $80,000 with the hybrid option, the pivotal question remains, does it justify the investment? Embracing a new foundation. The Nautilus now sits atop a modified version of the platform shared with the smaller Lincoln Corsair, despite its expanded dimensions. It gains 3.2 inches in length and a 2.0-inch longer wheelbase, with an additional 1.1 inches in width and 2.0 inches in height. Adorning fresh sheet metal, its frontal design echoes its sibling, the Corsair, with each of the 3 trims featuring distinct grille and fascia treatments. Notably, Lincoln lettering now rests behind glass, beneath the brake lights, while wheel options range from 19 to 22 inches. Offering a selection of 8 exterior paint colors and 4 interior schemes, including 2 Black Label exclusive options, Chalet, and the newly introduced Redwood. Inspired by the redwood forest, the Nautilus exudes versatility. All trims boast a contrasting black canopy, enhancing the SUV's sleek profile. Additionally, the Jet Appearance package, available across all models, offers 2-tone paint, high-gloss black 22-inch wheels, and other blacked-out trim elements. Debuting the first Lincoln Nautilus hybrid, the previous turbocharged 4-cylinder and twin-turbo V6 engines have been replaced with a new turbo i4, delivering comparable performance with improved fuel efficiency at 250 horsepower. Alternatively, an optional hybrid configuration pairs a 4-cylinder engine with a 100 kW electric motor, yielding a combined output of 310 horsepower. While the former utilizes an 8-speed automatic transmission, the latter employs a CVT. Fuel efficiency for the 4-cylinder stands at 21.2924 mpg city highway combined, while the hybrid achieves an impressive 30.3130 in mpg. Notably, the hybrid represents Lincoln's sole pure hybrid offering for now, with plug-in options available for the Corsair and larger Aviator. Driving dynamics of the 24 Nautilus. The non-hybrid variant provides ample power for urban and highway driving, delivering a smooth and gradual acceleration consistent with Lincoln's ethos. Conversely, the hybrid variant, only marginally heavier, offers noticeably swifter acceleration, infusing a hint of aggression into its refined demeanor. Luxurious interior features reflecting Lincoln's emphasis on cabin comfort, the Nautilus offers a myriad of amenities, including a 24-way massaging power seat, ambient lighting, a 28-speaker Revel audio system, and a selection of fragrance cartridges. Rear seat passengers benefit from generous legroom, reclining seats, and convenient USB ports. However, a minor issue arises with the rear seat belt's magnetic strip, necessitating a stronger magnet to prevent dislodging during spirited driving. Elevating the in-car experience. Undoubtedly, the centerpiece of the 2024 Nautilus is its expansive infotainment system, comprising dual 26-inch displays seamlessly integrated beneath a single pane of glass. Positioned within the driver's line of sight, the screen presents critical driving information, navigation, and customizable widgets. Embracing the Lincoln digital experience, the infotainment system operates on the Android automotive platform, offering seamless integration of Google and Amazon services alongside Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Lincoln Rejuvenate feature epitomizes luxury, enabling occupants to personalize their environment for a rejuvenating experience. Although debuting later this year as an over-the-air update, This feature promises to transform mundane moments into indulgent respites. Now available, the 24 Lincoln Nautilus, available in both gasoline and hybrid variants, is currently in production, with deliveries commencing in early January. While manufacturing has shifted to China, the Nautilus continues to uphold Lincoln's commitment to luxury and performance. With a starting price of $52,010 for the base model, the Nautilus offers a compelling blend of sophistication and value. Notably, enhancements such as standard all-wheel drive and an array of premium features contribute to a refined driving experience. Final thoughts. Amidst significant updates, the Nautilus retains its essence as a mid-size luxury crossover, boasting enhanced performance, elevated comfort, and cutting-edge technology. While it faces stiff competition from segment leaders such as the Genesis GV80 and BMW X5, the Nautilus distinguishes itself through its accessible pricing and comprehensive standard equipment. Interior comfort and cargo, the Nautilus impresses with its opulent interior, featuring premium materials, spacious accommodations, and a wealth of amenities. Noteworthy highlights include Lincoln Rejuvenate, an innovative feature that enhances comfort and relaxation for occupant. In summary, the 24 Lincoln Nautilus represents a compelling choice in the mid-size luxury crossover segment, offering a harmonious blend of performance, comfort, and technology. With its refined design and upscale features, it continues to uphold Lincoln's legacy of luxury and sophistication.